guys, welcome to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today I'm excited to show you the all-new MyBuild series. That is right, MyBuild has come back and built brand new robots, in which we have the Ranger, the Sergeant, and the Titan. Now, this was sponsored by MyBuild, in which if you wanted your very own, be sure to check out the link down below in the description. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start this off by building the Ranger. So this here is our box, and as you can see, the Ranger looks really interesting. It's got like that almost like camouflage kind of look to it. Stands about 5 inches tall, and there's two different configurations that shows on the side, as well as the weapons. And then on the back, it just kind of talks about the story behind the robot. Now this here is the frame structure, so you can always go ahead and buy that frame and kind of build your own robot as well. So let's go ahead and open it up. So this here's everything that it comes with, and they did a phenomenal job with the packaging. I mean, you can see that the quality of these pieces are really nice. Now, this here's our instruction manual, kind of giving you step-by-step instructions how to go ahead and build this. So let's go ahead and build this bad boy and cue up that montage. So our Ranger is finally complete, and it did take some time to build just because it's got a lot of attention to detail. I mean, as you look at it, you can see that it has a lot of different things going on. Now, first of all, working our way from the top to the bottom, you do see that his head does rotate, so you can go ahead and maneuver it any way you like. As well, the cockpit does open up, so you can go always fit like a figure in there if you really wanted to. Now on the back here, he has an antenna as well as a small sword or a knife. So you can see that it has like that Ranger or Scout feel to it. Now he has two sets of weapons, so he has almost like a rifle as well as a sniper. So you can go ahead and like swap him out, or you can put it on the back as well. And then he has a shield on his left arm. Now in terms of the design concepts, you can go ahead and move it in different directions. That is the unique thing about the frame itself, is that it can go in any way you want, and it actually maintains that position quite well. Now overall, I have to say it was actually a lot of fun to build. I'm always a big fan of the MyBuild series just because they do a phenomenal job making these like robots or mechs. And I always enjoy it. Now, if you guys have any questions about this particular Ranger piece, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.